Alrighty guys, today we're going to do a quick video on how to replace the needle bar thread bracket. It's a common mistake on a lot of Harukas and TL models, and today we're going to show you how to replace it. So first thing first, let me just take my tabletop off and watch how cool this is. We're going to lift this machine up out of the table. Alrighty. Now that the Haruka is showing its appearance, we're gonna get started on this video. So the needle bar bracket is this little metal piece right here. That little metal piece, pretty easy to take off and pretty easy to fix, but also a very common breaking point when people are yanking quilts out of the machine or just moving too quickly. You can easily snap that little needle bar thread bracket. Part number is right there, A1416096008. So in order to replace it, all you're going to do is you're going to go ahead and first thing first, take out your needle. So we're going to loosen that with just a little flathead. Let's lift up this foot too while we're at it. Take the needle out. Now, if you come around the side, you'll see this next flathead. You're going to go ahead and break that flathead. Not break it, but break it loose. And that's all you have to do. Just break it loose, and then you're going to go ahead and take both of those screws out. So I'm going to pause the video and we'll be right back once they're out. Alrighty, so now that we got the screws out, you're going to undo this top and the bottom. This one has a little bit more. Now the needle threader or the needle bar bracket is going to fall right out. And to put it back in, it's going to be the same thing. You're just going to go right in between this little bracket piece. You're going to go in between there and the needle bar, and you're going to go right there, put the needle bar right where that hole is, and you're going to screw in the screw. So sorry, my fingers might be in the way. Let me just get this lined up. There you go. Now the screw's in. Now you're going to pull the needle bar bracket down. Make sure it's all the way set it on that screw, and make sure it's flat and not sideways. You're going to go ahead and tighten that back in there. You don't need it super tight, just one little tight turn, and that's it.
I bought all your shirts.
They're nice, aren't they?
Now we're going to go ahead and screw in the bottom one as well. You can do this one with your finger, and you're going to go ahead and put your needle back in. Remember, the flat side's going to be facing towards the right. Alrighty, now we got the needle back in. The needle bar bracket is back and replaced. Super simple process. Might look a little complicated at first, but it's really not that hard. Here is the part number once again. We have plenty in stock. The link will be in the description. And of course, make sure your machine is off and your needle bar is all the way up before you proceed to do that. And you should be good to go. Also guys, look how cool this is. Watch this. I'm gonna lift the table up, and now I can stand up and work on this. This table is awesome. And then I can lower the machine back down and go ahead and put the top back on there. And now I have a working surface and a cutting table. Thank you for watching. Checking out. Bye-bye.